You think that piece of steel is going to fit in here with all the crap we have back here?
Pick up the camera and make a video.
I don't even got my hat on. I ain't haircut. I don't.
Yeah, we have room. We'll get a piece of
fire tanker. Fire suppression tanker. That might be 101 or 163. 160. Looks like that.
Anyway, yeah, I think we'll get a sheet of metal in here. What are we getting metal for?
We are going to be building a bumper for Mr. John Shields. He donated a bumper, and we're going to make him a video on how to put these together. So stay tuned. We got to go. I have a welding table that would probably work for this project, but I told John, I'm like, not everybody's going to have a welding table at their,
disposal.
Their availability. So we're going to be going and pick up a piece of steel and using sawhorses and maybe a piece of wood underneath that, plywood underneath that, to kind of do what you guys would be doing in your guys' shop. So.
And if you don't know who John Shield is, if you've seen my green truck, he's the guy that makes those bumpers, and he has a new thing out where you can weld them together yourself. It's kind of a kit, a lot easier to ship, and that's what we're doing. Weld together bumper. We got a remnant piece here. We're gonna see what that weighs. It's actually bigger.
That one would work too if that was fun.
It's actually bigger than what we need, but it might be cheaper than having one cut.
That one's a bit warped.
What, this one is?
Yeah. That one's flatter.
Well, I'd rather have a flat one.
Okay.
Too much, but
no. What do you think it weighs, guys? I'm gonna guess 70 pounds. Way over 100.
Nope.
Or was it? Oh, not the fork.
Holy cow.
190 pounds.
We were a little off on our...
Might want one a little bit skinnier than
on
that.
Our guess, yeah.
We won't be able to...
I don't think we're going to want that one.
No, that's too tight.
It's actually getting... How long is this?
That's it, 4x8. We're getting half of that 4x8 chute.
Okay, so we're getting 8 feet long and 2 foot wide. Kind of a long story.
Yeah. It pops out the back.
There we go.
There's our new workbench.
Alright guys, we got our piece of sheet metal and for our makeshift weld table, and we're heading back to James's place. Be there shortly. All right, everybody, we got this sheet of metal in here. We ended up getting a what is it, 80 by 24 sheet.
Actually, this is longer. This is I was wrong in my video. This,
yeah.
This is 8 foot. This was
96 by 24.
Yep, 96 by 24.
We were told we needed an 80 by 24, but it was going to cost about the same. So $65 for this piece of metal here, which not cheap, but not too bad. And it'll do what we need it to do. So what all do we need to do here? Make sure this is flat. We're going to get the bumpers out of the back of the truck, and we're going to lay them both out here on the table, kind of an unboxing thing. And I think we're going to put one together
today. We're going to start working on the tutorial video today. This video we are watching right now is just the unboxing.
Yeah, it's
and
not
setting up. This is the setting up, prepping, showing you what we got going on here, the vlogging about it. The next video that John and I are going to be making is going to be a tutorial video. It's not going to be our normal vlog. It's going to be a how-to, step-by-step. It's going to be a little bit lengthier video. I know that for a fact.
But if you're getting one of these weld-together bumpers and want to know how to do it,
this is the video to watch.
Yeah.
Not this video, the next video.
Right.
The tutorial.
The one
video.
we're talking about.
So, with that being said, guys, with being a tutorial video, thanks to John Shields at Absalute Customs, that's going to be a sponsored video, so the ad's going to be ad-free. No ads. You'll be able to scroll back and forth through it and not have to worry about some stupid 2-minute long ad popping up. So thank you again, John, for sponsoring this build with the front and rear bumpers. And if you don't know who we're talking about, John has got that link in his description below. If you want one of these bumpers, you like what you see today, you're going to be able to order one of those, and it's free shipping to the door.
Yeah, he has a website, and I'll link that down below in the description. And anything else John wants us to do, we'll, for getting a hold of him, we'll put that down there as well. I should get a hold of him. I'm sure we will in the process of this.
So, website's down below, guys. Click on that website. Go check out his products. He makes more than just bumpers. We're talking suspension kits. We're talking side steps, which are awesome. They're different.
Grills.
Grills. He has the new line of grills for the OBS trucks. I love them.
He has all different styles of bumpers. You can get them weld together, or you can get them like the one on my truck that he's got them all put together for you, and he can ship them that way. Check out his website. He's always adding new stuff.
All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and open the front bumper first. Gonna etch. John Shields put some good wrap on here. It's like 1,000,000 layers thick. I'm gonna need something different. I'm gonna have to get a knife.
Sharper knife.
Something. Okay, see if this knife will cut into her. Oh yeah. It's gonna take an hour to get into this, guys. Let's
That's not gonna be too bad. There you go.
There we go. This is for Kyle's truck. He doesn't even get to do the fun part, the unboxing. Poor guy.
He just wants it.
He just wants it done.
He just wants it. LED lights.
Wait a minute, John. That means we got to build this thing?
I believe so.
What? I thought this was a bumper.
More LED lights.
So lay those out, John. Make sure my... Does this stuff cause cancer in California? Have you seen those signs?
No.
They're around. I've seen them. Like something that's, I don't know, got something in it. This product may cause cancer in California.
Just in California.
Just in California. May known to cause cancer in California. Okay, there's a light bar for you.
Now, John did get a hold of us, and he's trying some different packaging. He was asking us how this all turned out.
We'll see in a minute. Their boxes are pretty beat up.
Yeah, the boxes are a little beat up on this, but I mean, this you can't really hurt.
Not sure what that's for yet.
Spare
parts. There's the bull bar. Ooh, wear gloves when you're unboxing this. That's my recommendation. There's the bull bar. Now these are the template. These are the bottom part of the bumper, the templates. I know what these are. These are the templates that get welded down to the plate. You can call them templates, or you can call them the bottom part of the bumper. Whatever you
Works
want.
as both.
Those are your lights, for your light buckets. Dude, I'm guessing, Jesus Christ.
Those are the mounts. That is some thick stuff there.
Here, you take that one for your camera.
Hit something with one of these bumpers.
There's one of your tow hooks.
Yeah.
Now, look at that thing, guys. That's we'll open this in a minute, but that's one of your tow hooks.
Actually, I think that's both of them.
That would be. John knows this bumper better than I.
That's that one piece.
That's that one.
I don't know for sure what that is. We'll find out.
There's a corner piece. Corner piece. Another corner piece. Enough to do another corner piece. I'd say this was a really good packing job. We'll see about this stuff. I'm worried about that stuff, but
This doesn't look like it's going to be too bad.
no.
Alright guys, so this is the whole bumper laid out on the table here. Every piece. I'm not sure what this piece is. Must be for something.
I know what it's for. It's
What?
to do the corners. If I remember when I watched this video, you use that piece. We'll have to
Okay.
just later. I know,
We'll
I know what it's for now.
We'll demonstrate that when we actually build the bumper. But we're going to get these lights out of the boxes and see how they are. I imagine they're probably okay. Boxes are kind of torn up a little bit, but I bet they're not damaged. So this is what you get in a front bumper kit. And we'll show how to weld this all up. Won't be in this video, but one coming very soon, possibly tomorrow. So let's get these.
There's two hooks in here.
Yep.
It's not one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's get these lights out of
Yep.
here. We'll show those. All right, guys. So we're gonna get the lights out of these boxes here, and I'll show you that when we get them laid out on the table.
We're live.
And we had, out of the whole thing, we had one of these little pod lights get damaged. The glass is broke. The glass is almost broke completely out of it.
Yeah, you can see something hit it. I thought I'd broke it, but I was like, no, there's no way. That's got a ding right there.
Yeah,
Something hard hit it.
and of
And
course a
John,
phone
your
call,
phone.
but that's the only damage out of the whole thing. All right, guys, same thing, different bumper. This is the rear bumper we're working on.
We're not working on it yet, John. We're
Well,
unboxing.
That's part of it.
3 hours later.
I can put that in there.
I definitely think there's enough shrink wrapping on this.
You never have enough shrink wrap.
Alright, let's start with these. They're easy to get to. Dos tow hookies.
Tow hookies?
Yep. One looks like license plate holder with
Light.
light. There are a box of goodies. There is, it looks like light brackets.
Looks like it.
So these do have lights. I didn't know that. I don't think I've seen a picture of this yet.
These lights look like they're probably fine. I'm not even going to take them out of the bubble wrap.
So guys, you know, these are a do-it-yourself kit, but most of this, you know, it's some assembly required, not all. These parts are really nicely bent and already, you're gonna have, I'm guessing you have to put welds in. I don't know yet. I have to look up a picture of this. I have no idea on this rear one. I didn't have a good idea on the front one, but I have no idea on this rear one yet what I'm getting myself into. So that is a good, you know, this is my first put together. I mean, I've built a bumper before. I built one just out of scratch parts. Turned out pretty decent.
So basically, it'd be just like if you ordered one of these, you've never put one together either.
Yeah.
We haven't either. So
this is
good demonstration on.
And I'm not a professional welder by any means. I'm guessing those are the mounting brackets. Those are big, thick plates.
Yeah.
But I've got some welding skills, you know.
I need to look at the picture that John sent. There might be a couple pieces.
Don't know.
That's a hefty piece of stuff.
I don't know where that goes. There's no instructions. That's why this video is here. We got to make the instructions. All right, you got a left and a right side, I'm guessing, guys.
Yep.
We got that side, and then we got the other side. These are, I can tell you right now that I'm really jelly, and I hope he makes a Super Duty bumper because that one's messed up badly. And I think a Super Duty bumper would be awesome. I'm guessing that those two pieces get welded
There you go.
together.
It's almost done.
There we go. I'm gonna go get the duct tape.
Yep. Gorilla tape.
Gorilla tape.
Gorilla tape.
Something like that. I don't know. That's gonna go somewhere in the middle. You got your brackets, and then you got your.
I think it goes. Yeah, that'd be right. I think.
Hey, look at that. I did it!
All right. There you go.
I think this one's pretty self-explanatory, actually.
Yeah. All right, guys. So here is pretty much the rear bumper. It doesn't look like there's a whole lot to this. Looks like it'll be pretty simple. So we're gonna look everything over again real good, and that will probably be it for the unboxing video. What do you think?
Yep. Don't forget to check out my channel.
So check out Central Oregon Shenanigans. I will link them on the end screen and down below. And with that being said, guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already. Check those guys out. You're not going to want to miss this this video, especially if you're interested in one of these bumpers. And we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.